This terminal learning objective will contain the following enabling learning objectives. Execute the installation guide procedures. Install the SAT. After associating the detectors, the SAT install window will be displayed. In the SAT install window, select Yes. The SAT selection window will be displayed. In the SAT selection window, select the type of weapon, M2, M240, or both. When the appropriate boxes are checked, select Accept to confirm selection. The SAT association window will be displayed. Loosen and remove the battery cap from the battery compartment. Insert a 3.6 volts lithium battery into the compartment, placing the positive side in first. Insert and tighten the battery cap onto the battery compartment. SAT power on is indicated by a single flash of the SAT rear LED. Place the M2 on a flat surface. Position the appropriate SAT with its attached mounting bracket onto the barrel of the weapon. Examine the SAT position on the barrel of the weapon. If correct, tighten the clamp screw securing the SAT onto the weapon using the appropriate torque wrench. Associate the SAT. To associate the SAT, perform and follow the instructions on the CCM. In the TVS main menu, select Configure. The Configure submenu will be displayed. In the CCM Configure submenu, select SAT Selection. The SAT Selection pop-up window will be displayed. In the SAT Selection pop-up window, select the type of weapon, M2, M240, 249, or both. When the appropriate box is checked, select Accept to confirm selection. The Associate pop-up window will be displayed. In the Associate pop-up window, select Associate. The Sending Associate pop-up window will be displayed. Point the CCM at the SAT IR windows within 6 inches. When the SAT LED blinks red 3 times, select Stop and Done. The SAT is now associated. Align the SAT. There are 2 methods to set up and align the SAT, the tabletop and tripod methods. This training will demonstrate the tabletop method. The tripod method details can be found in the iMiles OUM. To set up the SAT using the Mirror Alignment Jig Kit, Magic, perform and follow the instructions on the CCM. Place the Magic on a flat surface. Position the Magic and M2 so that the shooter setup of the SAT is slightly left and behind the target card. Turn on the SAT's visible red laser using the UCD Control Mode On setting. Note, the SAT's visible red laser can be turned on with the CCM or a UCD. Use the azimuth and elevation adjustment screws to move the SAT's visible red laser aim at the target card. Set the weapon-fitted SAT by aligning the SAT's visible red laser on the target card to the aim point of the weapon. To align the SAT, select the Laser Alignment Procedure button on the CCM and follow the instructions as depicted on the CCM. When the SAT alignment is complete, select Done. The Mount CCM screen will be displayed. Mount the CCM. Mount the CCM inside the vehicle where it is out of the way of crew members, but the display, buttons, and speaker are accessible. Place a rectangular patch of hook and loop strap at the mounting location. Plug the vehicle P1 or P2 cable into the CCM J1 cable to connect vehicle power to the CCM. Select OK to return to the CCM main menu.